Hello scientists! This week in science, we've practiced defining testable questions. A testable question just means a good science question, and good science questions lead to science experiments. So, Miss Cat has her testable question that she's been curious about this week. I'm wondering, will a soapy straw react differently with a bubble than a clean straw? I'm going to think about everything I already know about soap, water, straws, make my hypothesis, and then I will meet you in my kitchen for our experiments. Hello again, welcome to my kitchen. This is where we are going to do our FAIR test. A FAIR test is just another way of saying a smart experiment, and smart experiments answer testable questions. So for this experiment, you will just need some water, some soap, a plate, and if you have one, a straw. If you don't have a straw, don't worry, you may use your finger, you can use a toothpick, get creative and have fun. So I'm going to make my bubble solution in my plate by mixing about 2 parts water to 1 part soap. There we are, and I'm going to stir it up with something soft that won't scratch the plate and make sure that all that soap gets dissolved into the water. And now, I'm going to make my bubble, and we are going to see first how it interacts with a clean straw, not a soapy straw. So, let's cross our fingers. I can make my bubble the first time. You know what? You can use a straw to make a bubble. I'm going to use this pipette to make a bubble so that my only straw stays clean. But you can make a bubble with a straw or any other method that makes sense to you. So, I'm going to take my pipette, cut the bottom off, boop, and I'm going to use this to make my bubble. There we go, okay. And let's see, that diameter is about 1.5 inches, so I will try to make sure my next bubble is as close as possible. First, let's touch it with a clean straw and see what happens. Okay, it popped. Now I wonder if that's going to be different than a soapy straw. So I'm going to revisit my soap. I'm going to stick the end of my straw into the soap, set it aside, make another bubble. Wait around so that my lights turn back on. Yeah. And make another bubble again because now it's catch. And let's get plenty of soap on the sides. Let's try again. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? Did you see how the straw just went right inside of the bubble and didn't pop it? I wonder why that happens, And I wonder if it has anything to do with our glove experiment from last week. Why do you think that the bubble popped with the clean straw but didn't pop with the soapy straw? Leave your comments at the bottom, and I can't wait to see you all next week. Feel free to try this experiment yourself at home. Bye.